Dear students, in this we are going to see some previous year questions. Find the value of -1 to 1 d by dx of tan of 1 by x into dx. So d by dx of tan of 1 by x equal to d by dx of cotnus of x, that is minus 1 by 1 plus x squared. Which is equal to minus 1 to 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x squared into dx. In fact, it's a even function. So minus 2 into 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x squared. Tan of x 0 to 1. Minus 2 into, this is pi by 4, this is 0, minus pi by 2. Evaluate 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x divided by cos squared x plus sin power 4x dx. I equal to 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x by cos square plus sin power 4x dx. 0 to pi by 4 so sin pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus x equal to sin by 4 sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b plus cos a minus b cos a cos b minus sin a sin b 1 by root 2 cos x 1 by root 2 sin x 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x cos a minus b, that is here cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This will be cancelled. So 2 times 1 by root 2 cos x, that is root 2 cos x. So for numerator, root 2 cos x. Now we take cos squared pi by 4 minus x. We know that cos squared a equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. 1 plus cos 2 into by 2. 1 plus cos by 2. 1 plus sin 2x by 2. So cos squared pi by 4 minus x equal to 1 plus sin 2x by 2. Sin per 4 minus x equal to sin squared pi by 4 minus x the whole squared. Sin squared equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. 1 minus cos 2 a divided by 2 the whole square. 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus 2x whole square by 4. One minus sin 2x whole square by 4. Therefore, cos squared pi by 4 minus x plus sin power 4 equal to this is 1 plus sin 2x by 2. This is 1 minus sin 2x the whole square by 4. If we take 4 as LCM, 2 plus 2 sin 2x 1 plus sin square 2x minus 2 sin 2x. Three plus 3 plus sin square 2x 1 by 4 3 plus 2 sin x cos x the whole square. One by 4 3 plus 4 sin squared x cos squared x. 1 by 4 3 plus 4 sin squared x into 1 minus sin squared x. So I equal to 0 to pi by 4. In numerator root 2 cos x. The denominator we have 1 by 4, 3 plus 4 sin squared x into 1 minus into dx. You take t equal to sin x, dt equal to cos x dx, x equal to 0, t equal to sin 0 equal to 0. So sin by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. So I equal to, the 4 will come to numerator, 4 into root 2 or 0 to 1 by root 2, that is dt divided by 3 plus 4t square into 1 minus t squared. Four root 2 0 to 1 by 2 dt 3 plus 4t squared minus 4t power 4. So we have to factorize this. Minus 4t power 4 plus 4t squared plus 3. You take minus uncommon, 4t power 4 minus 4t squared minus 3, 4 into 3 minus 12, minus 6 into minus 12, minus 6 plus 2, so minus 6 by 4, 2 by 4, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2, that is minus 2t squared minus 3, 2t square plus 1. So 3 minus 2t squared into 2t square plus 1. So 4 root 2 0 to 1 by 2 dt by so we have to factorize this. We have to into partial fractions, but we have constant numerator. You see 1 by 3 minus 2t squared into 2t squared plus 1. If you observe minus this plus, that can be cancelled. So 1 by 3 minus 2t squared plus 1 by, if you take LCM, multiply if you take LCM, one by 4, 3 minus 2t square plus 1 can cancel 3 4 plus or 3 plus 1 4. If you divide separately 1 by 4 into this will be cancelled 1 by 2t square plus 1 by 3 minus 2t square. So 4 root 2 equal to 0 to 1 by root 2. 1 by 4 1 by 2t square plus 1 by 3 minus 2t square into dt. So this will be cancelled. So root 2 0 to 1 by root 2 1 by 1 plus 2t squared dt plus root 2 into 0 to 1 by root 2 1 by dt. Root 2 into 0 to 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus 2t square dt one by 2 into 3 by 2 minus t square dt. If we cancel, you get 1 by root 2 0 to half dt by t square plus 1 by root 2 whole square. If we cancel, get 1 by root 2 0 to 1 by root 2 dt by t square. dx by x square plus a square 1 by a tan inverse of x by a 1 by 1 by root 2 tan inverse of t by 1 by root 2 over 0 to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 dx by a squared minus x squared 1 by 2a, that is root 3 by root 2 log a plus x by a minus x over 2. This will be cancelled. Applying 1 by root 2 tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. This will be cancelled. 1 by 2 root 3 log root 3 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 by root 3 by root 2 minus applying upper limits. If you apply 0, 0, 0 will be cancelled minus log 1. This 0, 0. Cancelling these two, you will get log 1. Log 1 equal to 0. pi before minus 0, 1 by 2 root 3 log root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. That's the answer. The integral the 2 to 4 log x squared log x squared plus log 36 minus 12x plus x squared dx. One 6 2 4. Let I equal this term equal to 2 to 4 log x squared log 6 minus x the whole squared. We have one reduction integral a to b f of x by f of x f of a plus b minus x dx equal to b minus a by 2. You observe here f of x log x squared a plus b minus x, that is 4 plus 2 minus x. This exists. The answer is b minus a by 2. That is 4 minus 2 by 2 by 2 equal to 1. If I remember the results, we can do it easily. Otherwise, what is the other method? If you are able to remember, you can apply this. Otherwise, let it be 1. Next step, I equal to 2 to 4 log since a to b f of x dx equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So I equal to 2 to 4 log 6 minus x whole squared by plus log x squared 6 minus 6 cancel minus minus plus log x squared. Let it be 2. You're comparing 1 plus 2 gives 2i. You see log x squared log 6 minus whole squared, the same denominator in 1 and 2. 2 to 4 log x squared plus log 6 minus x squared divided by log x squared plus log into dx. So 2i equal to 2 to 4. The same term, this will be cancelled, tx, that is x, or 2 to 4. Two by 2. If you apply that shortcut method, you can do it easily. Otherwise, you have to apply few more steps. The value of minus pi to by cos squared x by 1 plus a power x dx. Where a is greater than 0, options are a takes the 1 by 2, three by 2, 2, 1. Let I equal to this value. Here we cannot check it out even odd functions. If we have minus 30 plus a, we can check that it is even odd function. This will not come under this category. So we can minus integral a to b, this function will be neither odd nor even, equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So I equal to minus by 2 pi cos squared pi minus pi minus x divided by 1 plus a power pi minus by minus x into dx. Cos of minus theta plus cos theta. Therefore, minus pi to pi cos x by one plus a power minus x. Further, minus pi to pi cos squared x divided by 1 plus 1 by a power x. If you take a power x LCM, a power x plus 1 by a power x. So minus pi to pi a power x into cos square x divided by dx. Let it be 2. Next, one plus 2 gives 2i equal to minus pi to pi cos squared x plus a power x cos squared divided by one plus a power x dx. Cos squared x into 1 plus a power x. This will be cancelled. Cos squared x dx. In fact, it's an even function. So 2 into 0 to pi cos squared x dx. Since cos squared x is even, so 2 into 0 to pi cos squared x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 x plus pi plus, if you apply pi, sin 2 pi 0 minus 0. The answer is pi. The left hand side we have, so 2i equal to pi. I equal to pi by 2. So option B is correct. The solution for x for the equation root 2x integral over root 2 x dt by t into root of t square minus 1 equal to pi by 2 is option A. Option B. Option C. 2. So this is equal to sequence of t or root 2 x equal to pi by 2. Which implies secant of x minus secant of root 2 equal to pi by 2. That is pi by 4. Secant of root 2 means pi by 4 equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Three pi by 4. Secant 3 by 4. It's a secant quadrant. Secant will be negative. Therefore, x equal to minus root 2. So option D is correct. Zero to pi by 2. Sin x plus cos x whole squared root of 1 plus sin 2x dx. Option A 3, option B 1, option C 2, option D 0. One plus sin 2x equal to sin squared x plus cos squared x plus 2 sin x cos x. Sin x plus cos x the whole square. Root 1 plus sin 2x equal to sin x plus cos x. Therefore, this will be replaced by sin x plus cos x. So sin x plus cos x dx equal to minus cos x. If you apply integration, minus cos x, here sin x. Applying the limits, cos 90. So cos 90 equal to 0, sin 90 equal to 1, minus cos 0 equal to 1, that is minus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 1, 2. So option C is correct. Integral zero to 10 pi modulus sin x dx. $20, $8, $10, $18. So sin x is we have speed here 2 pi modulus sin x has period pi. So 10 times 0 to pi modulus sin x dx. 0 to pi, 0 to pi, first and second quadrant sin x will be positive. If I integrate sin x minus cos x, minus 10 to cos pi minus cos 0 minus pi minus 1 that is 20. So option A is correct. So In equal to zero to pi by 4 tan per nx dx. Then limit n tends to infinity n into in plus I n minus 2 equals option A 1 by 2, option B 1, option C infinity, option D 0. So in plus 2 0 to pi by 4 tan per nx tan per dx 0 to pi 4 tan per nx into tan square x dx 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx 1 plus tan square x dx 0 to pi 4 tan power nx into secant square x dx. So in plus 2 equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx. This secant square x dx can be written as d of tan x x power n dx x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So tan power n plus 1 x divided by n plus 1 or 0 to pi by 4. Applying upper limit 1 by n plus 1, lower limit 0. So in plus 2 equal to 1 by n plus 1. Limits n tends to infinity n into in plus 2 equal to limit n tends to n into 1 by n plus 1 equal to limits n tends to n by n into 1 by n. This will be cancelled. If you apply infinity, 1 by infinity 0, the answer is 1. So option B is correct. Minus pi to pi, two x into 1 plus sin x into 1 plus cos squared x dx. Option A, pi square by 4. Option P, pi squared. Option C, 0. Option D, pi by 2. Minus pi to pi, 2x by 1 plus cos squared x dx plus minus pi to pi, 2x sin x by 1 plus cos squared x dx. So I1 plus I2, I1 minus pi to pi, 2x by 1 plus cos squared x dx. F of x equal to 2x by 1 plus cos squared x, f of minus x minus 2x by 1 plus cos squared x, cos of minus x plus cos x, that is minus f of x. So f of x is at odd, therefore I1 equal to 0. Even a single step you can write I1 equal to 0, observing this is even function, this is odd function, therefore the whole term will be odd. If it is odd, minus a to a equal to 0, you can write straight away 0, but for your understanding I have written these steps. So I1 takes the value 0. Now we have to find the value of I2. So I2 equal to minus pi to pi, 2x sin x divided by 1 plus cos squared x dx. In fact, this is even function. Take f of x equal to x sin x by 1 plus cos squared x, f of minus x sin of minus x by 1 plus cos squared minus x into minus sin x by 1 plus cos squared x, cos of minus x plus cos x. So x sin x by 1 plus cos squared x equal to f of x, which implies f of x is an even function. Therefore, two into 0 to pi 2x sin x by 1 plus cos squared x dx. 4 into 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos squared x dx. This I2. 4 into 0 to pi minus x one plus cos squared dx. Since there are 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So I2 equal to 4 into 0 to pi minus x sin 180 minus sin theta. But cos 180 minus cos pi minus x equal to minus cos, but cos squared pi minus x equal to plus cos squared x. So 1 plus cos squared x dx. So 4 into 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos squared x dx minus 4 into 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos squared x dx. So this whole term is equal to I2, which you take initially. If you bring this side, 2I2 equal to 4 into 0 to pi one plus cos squared x dx. So 2I2 equal to 4 pi 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos squared x dx. You take cos x equal to t minus sin x dx equal to dt. Sin x dx equal to minus t, x equal to 0 implies t equal to cos 0 1, x equal to pi implies t equal to cos pi minus 1. Therefore, 2i2 equal to 4 pi. For 0 the limit is 1. This is minus 1 minus tt by 1 plus t squared. If you interchange the limits, 4 pi minus 1 to plus 1 dt by 1 plus t squared. So in fact it is a even fraction. 2 into 0 to 1 dt by 1 plus t squared. So 8 pi tan of t over 0 to 1. 8 pi tan of 1 minus tan of 0. 8 pi pi before minus 0. That is 2 pi squared. So 2i2 equal to 2 pi squared, which implies i2 equal to pi squared. So we have taken the first step. I equal to I1 plus I2. So I1 0, I2 pi squared. So pi squared. So option B is correct. So the maximum kind of sums which we discussed in this sum are previous year questions. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.